In this TikTok tutorial, we're going to show you how you can easily remove and change the background in your TikTok videos on both iPhone or Android devices. This is very useful for commentary videos, explanations, or any content where you want to add a personal touch with different images and videos in the background. Firstly, we will open our App Store or the Google Play Store and just make sure that you have the latest version of TikTok installed on your device. So if you see a little update button right here, you want to click on that button, wait a couple of minutes until TikTok updates to the latest version, and then we will open the app. We'll start creating a new video by tapping on this little plus button right here, and that will open my TikTok camera. As you can see, I have this plain background around the person in the frame. Let's say that person is you, and you want to add a specific photo or a video instead of this boring background. Click on the Effects button at the left side of your screen, and this little menu with a bunch of effects will pop up over your screen. In order to remove the background and replace it with another one, we will have to click on this little magnifying glass icon in order to open the search bar, and then we will type green screen. TikTok has a cool green screen effect that allows us to replace our backgrounds in just a few taps. You will see a couple of different green screen effects, but we will click on this first one because it should do the job just fine. As you can see, we have a green screen instead of that boring background, and we just have to add a photo or video in order to change this green screen. We can do that by tapping on this little plus button right here, and that is going to open our camera roll or photo gallery, where we can select the photo or video. And I'm just going to choose this photo from the recents right here, and this is a photo which I've downloaded from the internet. And that's essentially it. We've removed our background and replaced it with another one. If you need more similar TikTok tutorial videos, make sure to check out the TikTok playlist from the description down below, and I will see you soon.